Out with the old and in with the new. Today I'm putting a carbon fiber steering wheel on my 2014 Mustang. I've never put a steering wheel on before, so I really don't know what to expect. The first thing we have to do before we go ahead and have all the fun and shit is we gotta go ahead and unplug the negative terminal in the battery, because if we don't, it's gonna turn into a ticking time bomb, and we don't want it exploding in our face, unless we want to start looking like handsome Squidward, which might take a little bit of a beating in order for that to happen. This one is a hunk of shit. Shit. And I feel like a brokey driving around with this steering wheel.
You're broke! You're fucking poor!
And to add more fuel to the fire, there's one more thing on here that always was driving me crazy, and I never really said anything about it, but that is the carbon fiber that is around the steering wheel.
What?
But let me explain. There's a lot of waving and just roughness around the carbon fiber, and it just does not look as good as it could, and I felt like the best way to replace that was by getting a whole new steering wheel with all the brand new parts that go along with it.
I grabbed a flathead, a socket wrench, and honestly just started guessing on the socket sizes until something worked. You've got 2 bolts on the sides of the steering column. Pop the covers off, take those out, and that lets you pull the airbag. Once you're there, just slow it down a bit. There's 2 connectors in the back, different colors, so just remember where they go. I don't know if you can mess it up, but I also didn't feel like testing that theory mid-install. Then you get to the main bolt in the center. And this is where I realized I had absolutely no idea what I was doing tool-wise. Thought I had the right size, I didn't. Ended up making a quick trip to AutoZone, and yeah, it's a 24mm.
Oh shit, that was hard, okay.
The worst part of this whole thing wasn't the bolt or the wiring. It was the plastic cover when putting it all back together. If it's not lined up perfectly, and I mean perfectly, it sits weird and the airbag won't go back on right. And then you're undoing everything over a piece of fucking plastic. From there, you're just swapping everything over. Some internal pieces, a bracket, a little tab for the horn or whatever. Nothing complicated, just don't rush it. There's a couple small bolts and a spring in there, but nothing's gonna go flying across the garage, so you're good. I did double check everything before putting it all back together, because I sure as hell was not, and I mean not, redoing all that shit. But the crazy part is once it's all back together, you can actually drive it. That's when it's like, okay, yeah, it's worth it.
I'm moving my happy ass on this side of the car because the last thing I need to do is have this shit blow up in my face if I did anything wrong, which I'm assuming since I've already plugged in the battery, then this shit would have already blown up by now, but I don't know if this is gonna be my kryptonite. If I turn that key and that shit blows up, it's gonna scare the fuck out of me. It's working. It works, brothers. Yeah, the horn works. Nice. Woo! Ooh, yeah. I'm gonna wash my hands. I wouldn't get it if I didn't think it was sick as fuck, but let me tell you, this thing looks so much fucking better than that horse shit that I had on here before. Let's just take an appreciation to see how beautiful this thing is. And the crazy part is that it came from the Amazon. Seems of high quality. The carbon fiber is immaculate. The steering wheel itself feels great. The way it feels in its shape feels like it's gonna be a whole new driving experience. Maybe this might be one of those things where I'm like,
ooh, I don't like this.
or maybe I will like it, but I think I'm gonna like it. And I feel like there's gonna be a lot of different feels of where I put my hands on the steering wheel now, because the way that this steering wheel is shaped, it's more flat at the bottom and has more curvature along the sides, but it gives it, I feel like, more grip if you wanted to hold the sides of your steering wheel, which I do, and I'm liking that so far. And the only way to find out if I like it is by driving it, and we're gonna do that right now. Well, I know I didn't fuck anything up because I can actually turn my wheel. Come on, move. Taking your happy ass time. And as for the question that a lot of you guys are probably going to be asking, brother, do you like this steering wheel? And the one answer I'll give you is,
Hell yeah, brother. Yes, I do.
Brothers, brother, brothers, brother, 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 brother.
this steering wheel is phenomenal. And when I say phenomenal, I mean I absolutely love it. All right, hold on. I didn't give you guys the kiss there. I love this thing. If you guys want the same steering wheel as I do, I'll leave it in the comment section and the description down below just to make it a lot easier for you guys so you can snag this one for yourself. If you guys have any comments, questions, concerns, you guys know where to leave them. Smash that like button and I'll see you guys in the next one.